Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I think that right there was the end of a correction. Last month was very, very bullish. I wouldn't be surprised if we had some pullbacks on shorter time frames, but I think we are in an uptrend. I think it will go up and take out these highs and probably go at least all the way up to the 2180 area and maybe even beyond that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, we have been going down pretty strong. I think if anything, this is just going to be a correction, and it's probably just going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame. It could be a 1 and a 2 and eventually go up for a big wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, for me, it still has not broken any structure to the downside. It still could be just a small ABC correction to this last push up. So if I do see a push up on the shorter time frames, I will take it as a long. But like I was saying, I mean, if it does turn out to be a 1 and a 2, then it probably will make a bigger correction, maybe look something like that, before it does end up continuing the uptrend. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long unless we get some confirmation on shorter time frames. Now, I do have it labeled as a potential ABC because it does look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down, 1, 2, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down. So if we go down to one of these Fibonacci extension level, make a nice impulsive move up, make a break of structure, then I definitely would go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, I have my Fibonacci extension measure in the wave A projected out the top of the wave B, but if this continues to stretch out much beyond the 138 area, then I would actually change the labeling to a 1 and a 2, and that would tell me it's probably going to make a 3, 4, 5, and it would all just be a wave A, which is why like I said, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long unless I saw a nice impulsive engulfing move up with a breakup structure. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I would be looking for shorts right now until I see a nice significant breakup structure, because like I was showing, this could turn into a wave 3. Even if it is a wave C, I think it probably needs to go down a little bit more before it actually does break up. But if I see that shape right there, then that's going to be for me a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it breaks structure, then that tells me that it is a wave C. And at that point on, I would definitely be looking for longs in an uptrend. But I would only be looking for longs unless I see this picture right here. Until that happens, I would definitely be looking for shorts, especially on the shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.